What's good? What is good to my stars? We're back again with another video, and today will be a room tour at the MGM Grand and the Grand Tower. I got it? Let's go! Okay, so when you walk in, you're greeted by almost a hallway. This is the conjoining room, and then this is the bathroom. Let's turn on the light. Oh, okay. All right. Nice bright mirror. Look at that. They got like some LED lights going on over there. So those are actually glass cups. So that's cool. You got your regular soap for the sink, Kleenex. And then they have racks for your towels, extra toilet paper, hair dryer. A hair dryer? Blow dryer, right? I don't know. Extra towels and your trash can, but it's not lined, so beware. And then you have the little toilet and the little like wall division thing, how they do, you know? Okay. Some art, some modern art, towel rack. Okay. And then this is the shower. Check it out. Look, they even have like those little shelf things that you can put your stuff on. I like hotels that do that. That's thoughtful because it's like at home, you probably have shelves too. But that's the bathtub. Pretty decent bathtub. All right, so you walk out from the bathroom to your right. And this is, I think, a closet where the ironing board would be, right? I think so. Yeah, I was right. Closet with like shelf space up top too. And then those little things that you put like your luggage on. I don't know what they're called. Turn around and boom, full length mirror. Look at that. This mirror is tall. I look so tall. Just kidding, no I don't. So coming into the main area, you have this little tray, and these are coasters. I didn't realize until I looked closely, but those are coasters and 2 glass cups, and then your ice tray, ice bucket tray thing. And then they have like nice little hookups here for you too that you can use. You get the HDMI, your iPhone, iPad, internet, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And then this is just like an empty area, which I would assume is where you put like your, whatever you're hooking up here. So that's cool. And then you have your TV and 4 drawers, 3 drawers. I see 3 handles. I'll go with 3 drawers. And then this, I think, is just like the amenities that they provide, but you have to pay for it, you know? And then remember how in my Resorts World room tour, they had a weighted tray and you couldn't touch anything, otherwise they charge it? Well, this is a weighted refrigerator. So basically anything that you, can I open it? Okay, I don't want to charge anything. So basically, it says anything that like leaves the refrigerator, you have to pay for. So it's just like Resorts World, except it's a refrigerator and not a tray. So leaving that, this is the bed area. Look how big this bed is. That's crazy. You got dressers on both sides, but this one has the phone on it. And then you have a nice little like seating area and a desk. I think my favorite part about hotel rooms are the desks for some reason. I don't know why. The desk, or if they don't have a desk, the chairs. Even if it's just like, you know, a simple like folding chair or something. I just love the chairs. And then you have art. Let's check out the view. We couldn't figure out how to open up the blinds all the way, but it's okay. I'm gonna show you guys our view anyway. All right, not gonna lie to you guys, there's definitely a glare and it's definitely green and tinted. But this is the other side of MGM on the right. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I have no idea what we're looking at. There's a building. Do you see that little light? The little light sign? Well, that building says MGM Grand Conference Center. So that's what that is. And then the building on the right, the lower right over here, is a parking garage for something. But other than that, I just see a bunch of like city lights and residential lights. So yeah, that's the view. Okay, you guys, so this is the daytime view. And over here at the left, we have the MGM pools. And then far out, hang on, I can't see. Far out that way is the UNLV Thomas and Mack Center. It's like over here. But over here to the right is the private airport. And then the monorail is down here too, which you'll see access to that in my casino video where I show you the underground like area. All right, so just a quick little overview. You have the ice tray and bucket, your desk, the TV, the seating area, and the bed. So I was talking to my mom about this, and apparently this is an alarm clock that you can see when you turn off the light. So I'm gonna turn off the light. Ready? Oh my god, that's awesome. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, yeah, so that's the clock on this side. And on the other side, they have the same like dresser area, right? The same little nightstand. But this one has the phone and like the pad, like all the important adult stuff, and then like the remote for the TV. All right, you guys, I think that concludes our room tour for the MGM Grand Tower. Got it. All right, this place is also super clean, and if you don't believe me, I will do a spot check right now, right here. All of their surfaces are glass, so let's just wipe my finger and see. Yeah, I don't see anything on my finger, so that's pretty good. That means it's clean. Anyways, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and be aware I will be posting the buffet and the casino tour relatively soon, so be on the lookout for that. And that concludes everything, so be sure to smash the subscribe button down there while you're at it. Oh my god, I can't talk right now. All right, doodle.